Hey, what's going on, y'all? What is going on? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, we're just gonna dive right into it, y'all. My name is Ashley, if you're new to this channel. But if you are a returning cutie, what's up? What's good? Y'all, we have not picked up the camera for a weekend vlog in a hot minute. Because I was trying to figure out my life and figure out, you know, if I was going to continue like the home series or whatever. And instead of just trying to make dedicated videos to a home series, I'm just going to sprinkle it in vlogs here or there because... Mommy? Yes. What's the matter? Y'all, that's Mel back there calling me. But, yeah, it doesn't seem like the channel likes like dedicated videos unless it's like house tours or all that good stuff. But anyways, y'all, the two tasks for today on this lovely Saturday is to go to Hobby Lobby and pick out the necessities to get us started on making our first planner slash notebook, y'all. So I don't know if I've shared it with you guys, but I want to start making handmade planners slash notebooks. I have this wonderful idea for everyone who is a procrastinator like myself to make us feel like, you know, we are accomplishing goals each day. So y'all stay tuned for that. But we're gonna head on over. Where are we going? If y'all watch the channel, y'all know where we're going. To my mom's house. That's right. We're gonna go to my mom's house and pick up my mom and my sister, and then we're gonna head out to Hobby Lobby. Oh, another thing. Let me go ahead and say this as well. I am doing a giveaway, y'all. A $50 Cash App giveaway, and the giveaway is going to close on May 10th on my husband's birthday, and that's when I'm going to announce the winner. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is go to Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's I am Ashli Crawford. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel here on YouTube, and DM me the answer to this question. What is the one thing that my husband does not like to do when we are traveling? I repeat, what is the one thing that my husband does not like to do when we are traveling? I gave you guys this answer in one of my earlier videos when I first started the channel, and I chose a question from an earlier video because we just hit 1K subscribers on March 22nd. So the giveaway is, you know, in appreciation of you guys for us hitting that milestone, and I wanted to take it back to where it all began. But I'll give you a clue. It's something that most people enjoy doing when you're on a road trip or on a plane. But him being an oddball, he does not like to do it. So y'all, if you need to go back for reference, go back to one of the first travel vlogs that I did going down to Orlando, and yes, and you'll see the answer in there. But let me skedaddle on over to my mama's house, and I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to Hobby Lobby. So we are in Hobby Lobby, and we're looking for the materials to try to make a planner. We asked the people who work here, and the girl sends us back to this aisle. This aisle right here. These planners are already made, so that's not helping me. But I guess we're gonna have to try to find like each individual aisle to, because I need things like coils and a wire trimmer and the actual paper and a paper cutter and chipboard, things of that nature. So let's see if we can find this stuff, y'all. I'm excited, guys. Okay, so I found the aisle with some of the things that I need. So a few of the things I would need is like one of those extractor tools, so I picked one of those up. And then I'm trying to decide, do I want to choose between one of these paper cutters here, or do I want to get the big boy paper cutter? Probably should get this one so that I can cut papers at the same time, because this one says you could do 15 full sheets. I just don't like the ugly color of this one, but since it's the only one that they have, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And then I also found where the coils are, but I need more than 2. But I'm just trying to make some mock notebooks right now, so I'm gonna pick up a few of these things and let's see. Back in the car, peeps, and I am so excited because I found a lot of the things that I needed to get started. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more that I need, but I found it pretty odd that Hobby Lobby does not sell printing paper. That's so weird. But dang, y'all, I need to get some, like I said, some good printing paper, because I want my paper in my notebooks to be like good quality paper. So I have to go and look for that, but I'll do that once I'm by myself, because Mel is sick, y'all. She's been having coughing fits for like the last 2 days, and we've been giving her medicine and everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take her home now because she had really started coughing in the store, and it's about time for her lunch, her nap, and her next dose of medicine. So we need to get that for her. But I'm so excited, y'all, and I'm gonna do a haul of all the items that we got once I get home. And then there was one more item that I needed too, so like I need like a storage thing to go beside my desk or something, but I will look for that. But I'm just so excited about everything. I know I'm rambling on, but y'all, let me get on to the house so then I can give y'all, like, show you a haul of everything. Okay. So I spent a total of $134.56 at Hobby Lobby, and that's gonna be one of my new favorite stores, y'all, because it was some really cool stuff in there. But I found these bracelets. I have been getting back into bead bracelets, and these were, well, one of them said $9.99 on it and the other one said $11.99, so the girl gave me both of them for $9.99. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put those on right now. And Mel just brought the rest of her lunch over here, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all all the things that I got to start making these planners. So the first thing I bought were these wire coil, what do you call them? Book binders. And they go with the cinch machine that I purchased. And I don't know anything right now about the measurements and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna learn all of that as I go. But I got some in black, so I got 2 in black, and then I got some in white. They did have some pink wire coils. They were real cute or whatever, but it was only 1 box of them. And then right now, the way that my planner notebooks look, the design wouldn't go with pink, so it's all good. And the next item that I got was this tape. And I know tape will be essential in making the planner notebooks because, well, I won't get into that, but it's essential for making them. Next thing I got was this tacky glue so that I could glue paper down to like the cardboard front and back of the notebook planners. The next thing I got was this cutting knife. I also got some wire cutters, and I'm trying to also stick with this brand Cinch because that's who made I love you too. That's who made the book binder machine that my husband bought me. The next thing I bought was two of these because I want to do one version of the notebook that's like hardback, and then I also want to do one version that's like a laminated front and back, so just so I can kind of see, you know, how it's gonna look and all that good stuff. The next thing I bought was some laminating paper. And luckily my sister had already given me a laminating machine, so I already have that piece of the puzzle to go with it. And I know they were saying that, oh wait, I think this is the right one. 5mm letter size. Yeah, I know a lot of people in the handmade planner industry were saying to get the paper that is 5mm, not 3. So my sister picked up the right one, but I can't believe, oh my God, $22. That's a lot, y'all. And then the last thing I got, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. But everyone keeps calling these things a guillotine because y'all know how you put your head in the guillotine. Well, not us these days. But back in the old days, you put your head in the guillotine to chop your head off. This is one of those nice paper cutters, and it has the measuring on it. And this is like the side where you would put the paper or cardboard to cut it to the proper measurements for the notebooks, planners, whatever it is that you're making. And it was $39.99, but I'm guessing they want to say there was a sale for $29.99. I don't know if we want to call that a sale or not, but this is all the things that I need to get myself started to hand make my planner slash notebooks. I have been looking around for like vendors that could potentially do it for me, but when it comes to customizing it the way that I want it to be, I haven't found the proper vendor for that yet. So I still got a lot of research to do. I still got a long way to go, but I'm just gonna play around with some of this stuff today to see how the notebook would potentially look with me hand making it. But yeah, y'all, I know on my channel I'm jumping around from home decor to making notebooks to all this other stuff, but yeah, we're just trying to keep the channel spicy over here and flavorful. And you know, as a real person, you have different interests, so every day and everything is not gonna be the same. But anywho's, we've come to that time, y'all, to the end of the video, where I need you to make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this day in the life vlog, y'all. Also, make sure you leave me some cool comments down below throughout the video, or just comment now, drop some hearts, y'all. Let your girl know that you're watching, you're feeling me, I'm still on the right track and all that good stuff. And ultimately, hit that subscribe button, y'all, because you're not cute if you don't hit the subscribe button and become a part of the cutie crew. And as I said in the beginning of the video, my friends, make sure y'all join in the giveaway. I mean, $50 is not much to some, however to someone it might be, but it's just the first of many giveaways, just a token of my appreciation. Tell y'all how much I love you guys, and to thank you so much for being a part of the cutie crew and holding it down and staying down with me. But y'all, whatever y'all do, make sure that you stay cool, calm, and Crawford, and we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.